Hello, hello, I'm back again with another style video, and pardon the mosquito bites on my legs. I was out washing my car and got absolutely eaten alive by those little suckers. Also, here's your free foot content of the day. You're welcome. Everything that I am wearing will be credited in the description below. Some of this stuff, like my fishnets, I don't even know. I've had them for 8,000 million billion years, so I don't know where those came from. But I will credit everything that I do know where it came from. And the only thing that will not be credited is this top, because it is from a company that shall not be named. And we don't support companies that are run by mean girls. I did get this top just in a lot of stuff that I had bought from somebody to resell, so that is why I have it. I did not purchase it myself, but it worked in this outfit. So you know what? I wore it and then I got rid of it. And here's the comic relief part of the show, where I tried to get into these shoes standing up with nothing to lean on, and it is much harder than it looks. The first shoe was totally fine. Second shoe, whoa. And I also didn't realize that the little toe part of my fishnets kind of peeked out. So just getting these shoes on was a lot more work than I was originally intending on putting into this outfit. And one thing you have to remember too, usually when I do these outfit videos, I literally just put this outfit on and then I take it right off. I'm not putting this outfit on to go anywhere. I'm just putting it on to show you guys. So when these outfits are a ton of work, it's kind of obnoxious. But to the jewelry, I love these earrings. These are by a company called Stupid Kitsch. Kitsch. Whatever. You guys know what I mean. They are actually a little bit heavy. A lot of the time that I wear really giant earrings, which is most of the time, they aren't very heavy, but these ones do have a little bit of weight to them. But the good thing is they have the nice solid flat backings instead of being like a hook. It sucks when you have the ones that are really heavy that are hooked, because they really pull down your earrings or your earlobes. Another thing I very rarely wear are gloves. I have a few pairs of vintage gloves, and I just thought that this outfit I don't know, it just lent itself well to wearing gloves, and I felt very kind of like hit woman, if you will. So here's my final outfit. I hope you liked this, and please let me know if you want to see more of these style videos. If you want to hear more of me chatting and harmlessly gossiping, no harmful or hurtful gossip will be found here. But I hope you like this, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!